in light of the alarming ransomware attack on Indian police, which led to the online exposure of thousands of fingerprints and facial recognition images, underscores the critical importance of cybersecurity measures in safeguarding sensitive data and protecting against cyber threats. India had 17.1 million leaked accounts in Q1 2024. Welcome to Wire India News Hour. The exposed records included the biometric identity information of members of the police, army, teachers, and railway workers. In parallel, it appeared that the data might have been for sale on a dark web related Telegram group. The publicly exposed database contained 16,61,593 documents with a total size of 496.4 GB. The records belong to two separate India-based firms, Thought Green Technologies and Timing Technologies. Both provide application development, RFID technology, and biometric verification services. A massive data leak during the elections in India exposed the biometric information of millions. An unsecured database containing fingerprints and facial scans of police, military personnel, and civilians was leaked, sparking concerns about identity theft and election security. Sources reveals there were also scans of documents such as birth certificates, tasting and employment applications, diplomas, certificates, and other education related files. Among the most concerning files were what appeared to be the biometric data of individuals from the police and military in verification documents. Upon further investigation, there were documents indicating the records belong to two separate entities, which suggests they operate under the same ownership. It clearly indicates there is strong impact on national security. There is urgency need for enhanced cyber defense. The incident underscores the urgency for law enforcement agencies to bolster their cybersecurity defenses, including implementing robust data protection measures, enhancing threat detection capabilities, and conducting regular security audits and assessments. The ransomware attack on Indian police, resulting in the online exposure of sensitive biometric data, underscores the urgent need for law enforcement agencies to prioritize cybersecurity and enhance their defense against cyber threats. Let's look into today's headlines. Google acknowledged errors in new AI overview feature. During Google I/O 2024, the tech giant launched its AI overview feature that essentially replaces traditional search results with AI-generated summaries. However, many users have reported questionable summaries from the search giant and quickly pointed out several errors. Google itself has claimed that they are working on removing these errors. The company stated that the vast majority of AI overviews provide high quality information, but that many of the examples have been uncommon queries. Elon Musk plans to launch XAI supercomputer by 2025 fall. Billionaire Elon Musk told investors that his artificial intelligence startup XAI is planning to build a supercomputer to power the next version of its AI chatbot Grok. Musk said he wants to get the proposed supercomputer running by the fall of 2025, adding that XAI could partner with Oracle to develop the massive computer. Musk founded XAI last year as a challenger to Microsoft-backed OpenAI and Alphabet's Google. BharatPe and PhonePe settle pay trademark dispute. BharatPe Group and PhonePe Group have come to an amicable resolution of their long-standing legal disputes concerning the use of the suffix pay trademark. The two companies have been embroiled in extensive legal battles over the trademark for the past 5 years. This settlement marks the end of all ongoing judicial proceedings. As part of the agreement, both parties have begun withdrawing their respective oppositions in the trademark registry. Government asks telcos to block incoming international spoofed calls. The government has asked telecom operators to block all incoming international spoofed calls that display Indian mobile numbers. The Department of Telecom said that it had been reported that fraudsters are making international spoofed calls displaying Indian mobile numbers to Indian citizens and committing cybercrime and financial frauds. Such calls appear to be originating within India but are being made by cybercriminals from abroad by manipulating the calling line identity. CCI extends deadline of bidding for AI impact study to June 28. Fair Trade Regulator, the Competition Commission of India (CCI), has issued clarifications on the bidding for conducting the study on artificial intelligence and its impact on competition, while extending the deadline for submission of bids till June 18. Earlier, the deadline was June 3rd. The Fair Trade Regulator said that bids cannot be submitted through a consortium or a joint venture. Also, the minimum annual turnover of 50 crore rupees has been retained for the bidders. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.